Welcome to Night Sky Notebook. My name is Peter Detterline, and this is what's happening for April 2023. Let's begin by taking a look at the moon phases for the month. Full moon is on April the 6th, third quarter on the 13th, new moon on the 20th, and first quarter on the 27th. Easter Sunday, April 9. Easter is defined as the first Sunday after the first full moon, which we said was April 6th, after the first day of spring, which is March 20th. This is our only holiday that is based on a lunar calendar because Easter has to happen on a Sunday. It can't happen on other days of the week like Christmas. The earliest Easter can be is March 22nd and the latest April 25th. On April 11th, Mercury, Venus, and the Pleiades are all going to be getting together. This is the big event for the month. The Pleiades, the seven sisters, probably the first object ever really named in the nighttime sky. They just look so different and unusual. And with the brilliant planet Venus, our brightest planet, right next to it, that is a gorgeous sight. Binoculars are going to be really ideal for this. See if you can get them both in the same field of view. That'll be pretty. If you look lower down near the horizon, you'll find what looks like a bright star, but it's actually the planet Mercury. Mercury is not difficult to find. You just need to know where to look. Get a low horizon. See if you can find it with binoculars first, and then see if you can catch it with the naked eye. It shouldn't be that difficult. But many people go through life without ever seeing Mercury. Now's your chance this month. Take a look. On April 16th, the moon catches up to Saturn. And that's going to be at 6 a.m. So you're going to look at this right before dawn. Now Saturn is going to be the faintest of the visible planets. We can't see Uranus and Neptune at all, they're just too faint. But it'll be right above the moon. If you have problems, use binoculars, you'll be able to catch it. Saturn is just starting to rise before the sun. It'll continue to move further away from the sun, getting ready for you to see it all night long, starting around August 27th. The Lyrid meteor shower. This is absolutely beautiful. And the moon is not going to be a problem this year for the meteor shower. Typically you can see anywhere from 12 to 20 meteors an hour. If you want to get out and see it, chaise lounge with a sleeping bag or a blanket, just lay back and watch the sky. It doesn't matter what part of the sky you look at. What you're looking at is leftover debris from Comet Thatcher, which isn't going to return to our sky until 2276. This is the oldest meteor shower and the best one of the spring. So take advantage of it. And we're back over in Taurus again. This time with Venus and the Pleiades and the moon. Now it's only been 11 days, but look how far Venus has moved away from the Pleiades in that time. The moon is going to be directly between, and all three of them are in a nice straight line, about equal distance from each other. That's really going to look rather pretty. And look for Aldebaran as well. It'll be standing off to the side, shining a bright orangish color. And finally, the moon catches up with the planet Mars. So Mars and the moon will be close on the 25th of the month, Venus down a little bit lower. These are the three planets we're looking at as far as human exploration goes. They are the three objects that are closest to the Earth. Of course, you've heard about plans to go back to the moon and heading out to Mars. But scientists have also toyed around with sending humans to Venus. maybe not necessarily onto the surface, but perhaps in a type of cloud city, or to be able to view it from above. It actually wouldn't be too bad. All of these things are possible. Take a look at them. The future of humanity is right there in the sky on April 25th, shortly after sunset. And that's it for April 2023. For more information, check out my blog, Night Sky Notebook at blogspot.com. And until next time, keep looking up.